the lines.
Yeah. Yeah, Soren.
That's swimming. See it right there? See the fish? Keep going. Don't stop.
Catch the fish.
Keep going. Finley, keep going. Going the other way. Full towards you. There you go. Oh, spit it out. Next try.
Goodbye, Mr. Fish.
Good try.
Nice job. You got it, Finley.
Keep on going. Yeah. Keep doing it.
Finley caught a fish.
You want this instead?
Wow, Finley.
No.
Finley, look how big.
Look how big it is.
Oh my gosh, Finley, that's beautiful.
Fish on.
Nice. Lovely.
Yeah, nice, Papa. Show me. Wow.
Yeah.
Wow, beautiful.
I should move away from
Yeah,
the
you
shore.
should steer first.
Finley, you're so strong.
Wow.
Hot air balloon. It's a bobber. Red and white hot air balloon. Is it red and white? Is it right there, the hot air balloon?
Hey, you got that worm on there good.
You know it.
That's the big one.
It's so nice. Love it.
Said Eric's getting greedy because he wants more fish.
Yeah.
Worm probably does too.
Can you conduct it?
How's he doing? Is he about going to sleep again?
Someone in Little Anton is gonna
Doing really good.
Yeah, can you do it? Show me your conducting.
We're gonna go that way now. We're not gonna
Nice.
go back. There's one little pass
Nice.
here and they'll get in. Slowly. So we need to go fast.
Okay,
It's okay.
it's a little cold. I might scream at first because it's so cold, but it'll be great.
Woo!
How is it, Si?
Yay!
It's so cold. Okay.
Finley!
It's great, Finley, it's nice and cold.
Oh my gosh, so cold.
I
I gotta get out for a second.
It's like,